Hello everyone, I am Anirudh Bed, Principal Solution Architect at Axway. Thank you for joining us for another video in our series on Transfer CFT, Axway's trusted solution for peer-to-peer data exchange. In this brief session, we will walk through a demonstration for a one-to-many peer-to-peer data exchange and guide you on how to set up the necessary automation to streamline the process. This video is organized into several key segments to help you follow along easily. Let's begin with high-level solution overview. TransferCFT is a secure, high-performance file transfer solution optimized for enterprise data exchange. It supports TLS 1.3, prioritized payloads, guaranteed delivery, and accelerated large file transfers via pTCP. Compatible with 16 operating systems, it enables seamless cross-platform transfers and direct streaming to cloud storage like Amazon S3, Google Cloud, and Azure Blob. Its flexible deployment ensures scalable and reliable data movement. For today's demo, we will use the PASIT protocol, a secure file transfer standard developed in 1986 by French Interbank Teleclearing System (GSIT) for interbank communication. PASIT ensures mutual authentication, data integrity, and non-repudiation. It supports advanced features like transfer resume, error recovery, remote file operations, compression, and multi-file handling, making it ideal for robust and efficient data exchange. We will have a dedicated video explaining the history and advantage of using PASIT protocol. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow the links for more details. That being said, let's move to the next section, demonstration and walkthrough. For today's video, let's take an hypothetical enterprise use case where we want to share the daily remittance details to all the internal applications on a scheduled basis. This can be considered as a typical one-to-many internal data exchange. In our demo setup, let's assume that daily remittance.csv file is populated in the inventory application, which must be shared or broadcasted to other internal applications for downstream processes and integration. In this case, inventory is our source application, whereas distribution, reconciliation, and stacking represents the internal target applications where the correct file must be sent securely. In this demo, we will start by executing the use case using an SFTP client to upload the files to secure location, followed by verifying the successful file transmission by checking all the three target applications. Then we will explore the platform and see how to set up the required configurations for broadcasting. So let's go to the demo now. For this demo, we have split our screen into two segments. On the left, we are using Axway Secure Client, essentially a SFTP client to connect to inventory application. On the right hand side of the screen, there are three more SFTP clients representing our target applications, distribution, reconciliation, and stacking respectively from top to bottom. As a part of this demo, let's start by uploading a valid daily remittance.csv file in the source location. Once uploaded, the defined automation will pull the file and delete the file from the source location as a part of processing. Now, on the right hand side of the screen, the file will be streamed to all the target applications simultaneously. As we can see here, the input file is now renamed and broadcasted to the target applications, distribution, reconciliation, and stacking. Like any other peer-to-peer flow, we can also compress, encrypt, rename, encode, and add more advanced processing based on the needs. And that concludes the successful execution of the use case. Now, let's also verify the transfer from an administrator's point of view. Here, in a browser session, we will log into the TransferCFT agent configured for inventory application. Once logged in, let's go to the Operations tab from the left menu and then click on Transfers. Here, as we can see, the daily remittance.csv file is broadcasted to three targets based on our use case. These logs provide you an overview of transfers that were concluded. We can even explore more detailed logs by clicking on any transfer ID. This detailed view provides you all the event related information, including but not limited to transfer information, partner information, file information, and transfer logs. This comprehensive and holistic log will provide your organization with all the toolsets for tracking the file transfer in case of success or error. Moving on, let's see how this broadcasting was configured in the underlying platform. In the same browser session, let's go to the flow definitions and click on partners. Here, we are using a filter to list down the specific partners involved in the business flow. You can add or remove the partners as needed. For example, out of these partners, we are going to use 3 partners for our broadcasting list. From the same menu, let's move to broadcast list now. In simple terms, consider a broadcast list as a group of partners with common functional or business requirements. You can have more than one broadcasting list with reusable partner configuration. In our case, we created a broadcasting list called daily remittance. Let's open it. As you can see here, we can pick and choose which partners will be involved for the particular list. Apart from the partners, we can also specify post-processing actions, comments, and other specific configurations. This list is also configured with a unique ID, daily remittance, which will be later used during the folder monitoring setup. Once all is configured, simply save to create the reusable asset. Once the list is configured, we need to set up how and when the file will be picked from the source. On the same menu, let's click on Folder Monitoring and click on Broadcast Daily Remittance. This folder monitoring is configured to pick the appropriate and specific files from the defined scan directory from inventory application. In the partners, instead of choosing a specific partner, we have configured daily remittance, which is the unique ID that we configured for the broadcasting list. With those minimum required setup configured, the automated flow is ready to be used whenever we want to broadcast daily remittance report from inventory application to one or more partners over secure channel. And that concludes the walkthrough and the demonstration we planned for today. Let's go to the presentation now. Based on what we saw, Axway Transfer CFT offers a powerful and efficient broadcasting capability, enabling seamless one-to-many transfers with minimum effort. Its intuitive broadcast list configuration eliminates the need of complex coding or scripting, significantly reducing time to action. With built-in templates and ability to easily clone and reuse assets, users can accelerate delivering while maintaining consistency across transfers. The platform promotes reusability, allowing teams to streamline operation and scale effortlessly. Additionally, CFT's robust integration capability supports event-driven processes and ensures smooth interoperability across diverse platforms and applications, making it an ideal solution for enterprise seeking reliable and scalable broadcast data exchange. That brings us to the end of today's video. As a part of this series, other videos will cover peer-to-peer overview, how to configure peer-to-peer transfer, API adoption, REST protocol, and more. Please check the description section for the links to those videos. And that's a wrap for now. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact the Axway sales team. Goodbye, take care, and thank you.